Ito na mga pangkay, CrypTito here again, back with another video. And today, pag-usapan natin ang quick TA natin kay Bitcoin. Today is September 24, so let's check it out. Yan, so andito tayo ngayon sa Bitcoin chart. This is weekly time frame. Okay? By the way, if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe dito sa channel ko, make sure to subscribe na. Okay? Antayin kita. And then, after that, make sure to click the bell notifications icon para maging updated ka sa mga future updates and technical analysis ko. Also, if you are into crypto shirts, okay, meron ako dyang Shopee link at click TikTok shop link. Bahala ka na lang kung saan gusto mong bumili, basta bumili ka. Okay? Okay, so that's it. So, eto na tayo ngayon. So, here, we are here at weekly time frame. Punta muna tayo sa monthly time frame. Okay. Monthly time frame natin, nasa oversold pa rin tayo. Still, very bearish pa rin yung candle natin. Kita mo, sobrang laki niyan. Wala pa tayo nakikitang pag-decline ng volume natin sa selling volume natin sa monthly time frame. Okay, weekly time frame, of course, visible na yung descending triangle natin. Bearish descending triangle natin. Dito, medyo bumaba na yung selling volume. But again, we still have a day para mag-close yan. Okay, so let's see. Now, I think na-mention ko na rin to last week. Doon sa last TA ko. This one, okay, so this is that cross na EMA green is 200 and this one is 20. Okay, 20. So, ang settings ko kasi sa EMA is pag red, yung pera natin, red is 50, di ba? So, 50. Red is 50. Yellow is, or orange is 20 and green is 200. So, para mas mabilis kong ma-memorize kung ano ba yung mga yan. Yan. So, that's a dead cross, by the way. Right? Very visible yan. So, bakit, as you can see, hindi tayo umaangat ng 20,000? Right? So, umaangat man, bumababa pa rin. Because 20,000 is a strong key level or strong support or resistance. Bakit? As you can see here, volume profile pa lang. Okay? Ang taas ng volume yan. Okay? Lalo pag bumaba tayo ng daily. Okay? Daily yan. So, daily pa lang kita natin na that is a POC. POC, by the way, this is a volume profile indicator. POC indicates that ito yung pinakamatibay na support or resistance dito sa range na to and dito. Okay? So, at this point, so as you can see, that's 19,800. So, that's 20,000-ish. Tatalbog ng tatalbog lang dyan yung presyo. Another reason bakit siya strong key level is because, again, that is our previous all-time high, 20,000. Okay? And now, so ang tendency ngayon is, since nabutas yung POC na yan sa 20,000 level, okay? Ngayon naman, since, again, matibay yung level na yan, nahihirapan naman tayo ngayong umakyat or bumasag sa 20,000 pataas. Kaya as you can see sa lower time frames, here, okay, as you can see there, tumatalbog lang yan dyan sa may bandang area na yan. Here, right? Tapos tayo sa 4-hour time frame. Okay. Ayan o, dito sa may bandang level na to. Okay? Pagka angat nyo dito, ang laking rejection niya, no? So, that's a red wick. Ganyan ka lakas yung pwersa dyan sa 20,000 level. Okay? So, that's the reason bakit hindi tayo makaangat-angat. Kasi, 20,000 level is a strong resistance. Now, Tito, where do you think it will go? Alright, going back, kahapon, nung sinabi kong bubutas to, hindi siya bubutas. But then again, nag-signal ako sa Discord channel natin na nakita ko ito, nag-decline tong volume na to. Alright, so after that, ayun na nga, umakit na nga siya. Tapos, ito, so yan, pagkagising ko, andyan na tayo sa point na to. Kaso hindi ko to nasakyan eh. Sayang. Ito yung na-chart mo tapos hindi mo nasakyan. Yan, sayang yan. Pero this is what happened there. Okay? Yan. So, rising wedge. Okay? Rising wedge is a bearish pattern. So, bumaba siya dyan. Boom. Tumambay siya dito. Alright? Nag-bounce siya dyan. Bakit? Kasi that is another key level. Right? Sumundot lang siya doon, no? Tapos, umakyat na. Ngayon, pumitas lang siya dito. Alright? Again, last bullish candle. And then, pababa na. Now, dito, where do you think it will go next? May bias talaga kay Bitcoin overall or in a macro standpoint is babasag yan dyan. And then, see you at 15,000 to 13,000 level. Depends with market sentiment. Pag nandiyan na kasi sa level na yan, sobrang sobrang scared na ng market. So, possibly, abutin natin tong around, 12 hanggang dito sa POC na 9. Worst case scenario ko again is 8,000. Okay, now just in case magkaroon tayo ng volume dito na buying volume, ang kailangan nating intayan is ganyan, diba? 1, 2, pack. Kailangan natin magkaroon ng higher high dito. Alright? Higher high. Okay? Break of structure. Okay? Chalk. And then retest. And then up. Pag nangyari yan, especially pag nakabutas tayo dito sa around 24,000, it will be bullish na for me. Pero for now, as long as hindi tayo mabasag dito, bias ko is we'll go here, retest, and here. Okay? So that is it for now. There. So if you have questions, if you have clarifications, let me know in the comment section. And if you have suggestion, let me know then. Again, if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa YouTube channel ko, make sure to subscribe na. Click the bell notifications icon. So that's it for now and see you in the next video.